The ALMS TT with the 6-speed manual gearbox and Haldex all-wheel drive quattro comes with a 1.8-liter turbo 4-cylinder, making 225 horsepower over the standard 1.8 that makes 180. It does have a aftermarket intercooler, 3-inch downpipe with an OBX racing exhaust, a forged diverter valve, a boost gauge, and a few upgraded mounts. After an engine replacement, the engine started to have a rough idle. As you can hear, the idle is not smooth, and it sounds like there's a few other things that are going to need to be addressed. We did take the car for a test drive and noticed that we were only able to get 5 pounds of boost before it would throw us into limp mode. During the test drive, we noticed there wasn't a check engine light during acceleration, so that did help us rule out a misfire. A few of the tests that we did were with the N75 valve, the diverter valve, the wastegate, and the mass airflow sensor. I consulted forums, I consulted other enthusiasts, and they did help me out a little bit to try to look around in my engine bay and see what I could test. During the alternator replacement, I was speaking with the technician while we were working on the car, and he advised me that the best route would be to do a vacuum test. So from here, we're going to try to do a high pressure vacuum test as well as the smoke test.